MotoVagabondNate how-to 2025 Himalayan 450 Shad 3P mount installation. Welcome back to another MotoVagabondNate how-to video. This time we're back in the Sunshine State and we're going to be doing a little Shad installation on a 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. This bike belongs to one of my good friends, Paul, that's going to go out and do some adventuring with me. So we're going to be installing the 3P mount system and the TR40 bag with a couple extra accessories. So let's see what goodies came in our Shad Pannier boxes. So we have two 3P mounting rails, all of the mounting hardware, as well as installation instructions. These instructions can also be found on shadusa.com. Now for the TR40s themselves. In the box you'll find two Shad TR40 Panniers, two waterproof liners, an additional dry bag to be mounted externally, and an external fuel bottle holder. These panniers are compatible with the 3P or 4P mounting system. The required tool list for this job includes a 5mm and 6mm Allen key, 12mm and 13mm wrench, and a 10mm socket. Step number one from our Shad installation instructions is taking our key and removing the rear pillion and front saddle. We find our lock cylinder right here on the right hand side, twist that to remove the rear pillion and the front saddle. Step number two is using a 10mm to remove these two bolts on the top for our rear under fender. Step three, we remove these two bolts with a 5mm Allen. Step 4 is removing the rear fender assembly. Step 5 requires removal of the 4 bolts and nuts with a 12mm wrench and a 6mm Allen key. Step 6, we reinstall the rack assembly and put our bolts with spacers in place, installing that back through and installing our washer and nut on the back. Now we're going to repeat the process on the other side. No action is required for step 7 as the holes are already ready to accept the pannier mount 1. Step 8 will be installing the bolt, washer, and spacer. Pannier rack number 1, and repeat the process on the other side. Now that we've ensured proper fitment, we're going to secure our rear, middle, and lower bolt using our 5mm Allen key and 13mm wrench. Step 9, we'll reinstall the rear fender. Put our two 10mm bolts back in. Step 11, our two 5mm Allens will go back into the bottom. Now, reinstalling our saddles. And for the best part, the final installation of the TR40 Shad Panniers. You're going to find your keys secured to the pannier. You'll find a lock cylinder located on the front of the pannier. This allows you access inside the pannier as well as mounting and dismounting it from the 3P or 4P mounting system. So let's put these bad boys on and see what they look like. And we're now rocking a new set of TR40s on our Shad 3P mounting system.